Ito na yung araw na hinihintay namin ni Emma. So Thursday ngayon, no? Ayan, so kukunin na natin yung sasakyan natin. Pero ngayon, syempre, hindi natin gagamitin tong si Dodge natin, ano? And yeah, ayun, bali mag-Uber kami ngayon. Malapit lang naman siya dito, guys. Ayan.
Ito yung Uber. Yan.
Magkano?
$10 lang.
$10.
So Uber X. So yan.
So click mo na. Yan, kasi hindi naman agad-agad para magkakaroon yan dito. Ayan, so guys, yan, waiting pa kami. Actually maaga pa naman, hanggang 7 pa naman yung pupuntahan namin. So 5 pa lang naman dito. Ayan. So nagka-problema pa ako, buiset. Hindi ko matanggal yung plate number ko sa Dodge. Kasi yan din yung gagamitin ko muna pansamantala. Bali na pa transfer na rin namin yung insurance niyan. Nilipat na namin siya dun sa, yun nga, itong Santa Fe natin, ano. So ang problema ko, hindi ko matanggal. Pero tumawag na rin naman ako sa, ano, sa Hyundai Precision. Papahiramin na lang daw nila muna ako ng plate number para mauwi ko siya. Okay na rin yun. 8 minutes. Sige. So yun, 8 minutes para guys, sabi ni Emma. So okay na rin yun, at least may uwi namin siya dito. Then mamaya siguro bibili nila ako ng tools. Kasi wala akong tools ng ano, guys, yung pantanggal ng plate number. Kay Julius ko lang din kasi nahiram dati yan. Eh kinalawang na siya. So pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Total, habang naghihintay pa naman kami, ito yung plate number. Ang bala ko pa nga sana kanina, bibili na agad ako. Buti na lang tumawag sa akin si John na yeah, pwede naman daw nila ako, pero balik ko na lang daw bukas yung plate number. Ito guys, kutsa, hindi ko alam, nag-stock up na siya, kalawang. Pinihit ko na rin kanina nung ano ko, ng screwdriver ko at saka yung plies ko. Ayaw, talagang ewan. So bibili ako siguro ng WD-40 para matanggal ko siya. Ayan, so bali yun, plan din namin ni Emma, ano, baka magpa-customize din kami ng plaka, yung name namin. Ayan, so konti lang naman yung additional doon. Si Sayo naiinip na. Oh, wait pa tayo 8 minutes. Oy, gusto na lumabas to, guys, eh. Ay, hindi, mamaya, wait natin yung car. Wait pa natin yung car. Ayan, sana guys, naiinip na siya, eh. Ayan, so while waiting, ayan. Ha? Opo, oo, wait tayo yung kotse. Wait tayo ng car. So yun guys, balikan ko kayo mamaya pagdating namin doon sa dealer. So yun guys, dito na kami sa ano, sa dealer. Hindi yan, hindi pa yan. So pasok muna kami. Si Zayo nakatulog na sa biyahe. Ganyan naman yan, eh. Titing pa kami dun sa ano, kay Billy daw. Kasi si John yung ano namin agent.
Yeah.
Wala dito.
May appointment.
May appointment. So,
kasi pick up lang talaga. Kami yung namili kasi ng availability namin. So hindi syempre lagi na nandito. Yan.
Yung documents natin. Okay. Kasi may pipilapan pa tayo malamang. So, tour ko na rin muna kayo dito, guys, sa ano, sasakyan dito. Meron sila palang motor, no? Ayun, no? Triumph. Ganda, no? Ilang cc kaya ito? Wala nakalagay. So ito guys, Kona. Meron ng Kona na electric, eh. Ganda, eh. Ganda rin yan, no? Parang ano siya, eh. Parang naka-set up. Ganda ng spoiler niya. Ganda, oh. Pero ako dito guys, nakita Hyundai, ano bang model to? Ganda, no? Cute. Ang liit. Ay, para siyang pick up na maliit. Santa Cruz. Yan, hybrid. Ganda, no? Nice. So yan lang yung mga display nila ngayon. Tapos ito kabila, Kona pa rin to, yun. So guys, ito na siya. Bagong linis. Yeah. Alright.
Nice cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, no worries. Do you want me to go over the vehicle, or we could go over it tomorrow when you drop off the plate?
Maybe now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then obviously this is pretty much all the same stuff right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
You have your locks, your unlocks. You got the auto windshields as well
Yeah.
too, so they'll lower down.
Yeah.
And this button here is to lock the windows and to lock the doors. And if you have kids in the back and they open up the windows or play with the windows,
Okay.
you could lock and
Yeah.
lock them. This right here, that's for the lights over here to
Okay.
illuminate the lights, so you can make it brighter or you can make it a little bit lower
Yeah,
as well too,
okay.
depending on how you like it.
Yeah.
You got this is your traction control,
Mhm.
and then this is your lane keep assist.
Okay.
So it kind of just beeps when you go over the lines.
Yeah.
Here, pretty simple.
Yeah.
That's just your power
Yeah.
seats. I'll go on that side,
Mhm.
and we'll go over the technology inside.
Awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Doon ka sa likod.
Pasok tayo dito. Hindi na namin ipapakita yung dealer. Mahihain daw sa camera. So, pakita natin yung mga ina-explain niya.
You go there.
Bago namin kunin.
So car, we just put the foot on the brake, and then just press the start button. And then the lights, I always put in auto. So if
Okay.
you just twist this part right here, yeah, and put it in auto, right there.
Okay.
So your light's in auto. So now when it gets darker, it'll automatically turn on your lights.
All right.
And then when it's in the daytime, it just keeps the daytime running lights on. Here, this one is talk to the vehicle. So call so and so, call my wife, call my cousin. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Mode, that basically changes it from AM to FM on the radio. So you could change it however you want it.
Okay.
So and you just keep pressing mode and it'll go through. But you could program it what ones you want it to go through if you want to. When we leave, before you leave, when you leave, I'll set up this Sirius satellite radio.
Okay.
You'll get 3 free months.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And then it'll shut off. They'll probably call you and they'll ask you if you wanted to subscribe to it. Here, these are just your wiper blades.
Yeah.
So this is just the speed right here, but you got, yeah, just like any other vehicle.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then to get the washer fluid towards you, you just pull it towards you, and in the back you just push it out.
Okay.
This one right here, this controls the volume. And then here, this changes pretty much the songs.
Yeah.
And then answer the phone, hang up on the phone. Pretty simple. This is your cruise control.
Yep.
So here you could just press this button, and right now it won't work obviously,
Yeah.
but press that to turn it on, and then press down to set the first your kilometers.
Yeah.
And then you could go up or you could go down.
All right.
And then you also have adaptive cruise control. But now you don't have to do the braking. So you know how cruise control, you press the brake and it turns it off.
Yeah.
This will brake for you. And it'll save. So let's say you put it at 110 kilometers an hour, and the car is going 120 and decides to slow to 100 in front of you. Your car will naturally just slow down,
Yeah.
and then if that speed up, it's going to go back to what you had it at
Okay.
set, right?
Okay.
Just like anything else, but you don't have to use the brake now. And then this is the lane keep assist. So this will keep you in between the lanes. It kind of vibrates, and it'll kind of steer for you a little bit
Alright,
as well
yeah.
too. If it notices that your hands are off the wheel, it'll, after a few seconds, about 10-15 seconds, it'll tell you to put your hands back on the wheel to make it safe. You have dual climate control, so you can set up the temperatures on this one. I could set up on the temperatures on this side. Just doesn't matter. And then if you want, let's say this one's different and you want to sync it to have it to the same one, just press sync and it'll bring it right there.
Okay.
Pretty simple here. You could turn off, or you could lower the fan speed, or you could turn it up higher. Engine on, engine off, that basically, let's say you get to a red light, you have it on right now. Let's say you get to a red light, it will stop your car from idling.
Yeah. Okay.
So it supposedly saves gas. I think it does a little bit, but I don't know how much, right?
Okay.
Auto hold is another option. So let's say you're driving and then you have to turn this on every time you get in the vehicle. So if you turn on auto hold, let's say you come to a red light or a stop sign and you come to a complete stop, There'll be a light up here, an indicator telling you it's safe to take your foot off the brake. And you can keep your foot off the brake. You don't have to, as long as you come to a complete stop and it says it's safe, you don't have to keep your foot on the brake at the red lights or anything. And as soon as you hit the gas,
Zion, say hi.
yeah, and then when you come to a complete stop again, there'll be a light there where it's safe to take off. And then your parking sensor is pretty simple in there. You can turn your reverse parking sensor, so you can turn it on or off. That's when you're backing up, and then it just beeps, and then closer you get, it just continuous beep until it's one. This is just your camera. You could always turn that on to see when you're in park.
Okay.
And then your heated steering or heated seats. 3 different settings. You have the highest, middle, lowest, and then off on both sides. You got USB, so you could charge your phone from here. You also have, just gonna go over here. So you want to set up your phone?
No,
Yeah.
it's okay.
No?
No, it's okay.
So you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto,
Yeah.
and now it's wireless in these in this
Yeah.
one. So as soon as you connect the phone, you could turn on your wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and it'll mirror the image off your phone onto here, so you can use your phone's navigation. Pretty simple there.
Yeah, that's good.
These right here, this is your home link. This connects to your garage door. The best way, it'll be in your manual how to set it up, or you could just go on YouTube, which I find a little bit easier, and then they show you. So there's usually a button behind your garage door. Just press that, and then sometimes you'll come and hold this. Everyone's a little bit different. I can't remember how to do it exactly, but YouTube's probably your best. And then reverse, neutral, drive. When you have it in reverse, the camera will come on. And then you have different drive modes. So you have comfort, which is kind of just your normal mode. You have sport mode that just tunes it a little bit different, just makes it a little bit more peppy, a little bit more aggressive. And then smart is kind of in between. And then you have Blue Link.
Yeah, Blue Link.
Yeah, so you have to download the app. Just follow the instructions. Just put in your information.
I think there's a B number.
Yeah, you'll put your VIN number. Sometimes you get a confirmation in your email with a special code, but sometimes with used vehicles you might not.
So do I need to register first?
Yeah, you'll download the app, and just like you're signing up for an email, you'll follow the name, the VIN number, all that kind of stuff. Put it in, and then as soon as you get on, it might tell you that you're not the registered owner. Give it 24 hours. But if it doesn't, just call the 1-800 number online. I can't remember the number, but you just type in 1-800 number for Blue Link customer service, and you just call them. They're pretty quick. You don't have to wait too long on the phone, and then they'll just transfer it over. And then back there, you notice the sunshades, all that kind of stuff as well too. Pretty simple. You have a lot of room down here as well, and you have more chargers. So these chargers right here, these are just straight chargers. This USB right here, when you do plug it in, it will connect with the entertainment system. So it depends on how you want it. And then you just got more room over here.
Is this a good deal?
Yeah. The car's really good. And you only have, what, 4,000 or 5,000 kilometers on this one, right?
Yeah.
You guys did good.
Thank you.
And we'll go over. I'll see you guys tomorrow again.
Yeah, I'll
Okay.
see you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Thank you. Tayo kung ano yung mga safety features syempre ng ating sasakyan. Ayan, so ang hira muna tayo ng plate number sa kanila guys. So wala namang bayad dyan, libre naman. Ayan, ang ganda ng pagka-white niya. Para siyang, hindi siya talagang white na white. May parang may mga crystal pa siya. Ayan. Alright.
Ayan guys, nakaupo na tayo sa ating new car. So, papaalis na talaga tayo dito after yan i-demonstrate ulit yung parts kanina. Tapos yan, konting vlog kanina. Yun. Ngayon dito ako nakaupo Si Zion doon muna.
Anong mo?
Para ma-feel ko rin na nandito tayo nakaupo sa harap. Siyempre kailangan ma-feel.
Pag sa dads, nandun ka sa likod.
Siyempre kay Zion, pero minsan doon din ako kasi alam nyo naman pag bata maraming needs. Ang hirap papalit-palit na nasa likod ka tapos aabot. Ayun 'di ba? Maraming iniiyak So ngayon ay 6:43 na. And yun nga no, nag-inquire na kami ng car seat before. May mga natanungan na din kami, even yung mga nagbibigay or yung mga nasa marketplace. Pero yun nga, naisip namin talaga kasi ngayon, ang priority namin safety. Kaya nga rin, nag-upgrade kami ng car ngayon para safety na rin, para sa long travel. And since nga yun, kunwari may makikita kami sa marketplace kasi yun nga malalapit na yung expiry date. Dapat talaga guys, dito sa Canada, yan mahaba yung expiry date nung iyong car seat. Kasi kapag kinuha naman namin yung car seat na nakita namin, sana may expire na rin next month. So kailangan na rin namin talaga bumili. So yan, bibili na rin kami ngayon para mapalitan na yung car seat na ginagamit ni Zion.
Yes.
Yun, kamusta? Kamusta?
Okay naman.
Oh, parang hindi ka naman masaya.
Hindi happy ako.
Oh, happy.
Ayan. So, gaano
Ikaw
lang
na
tayo?
naman ang nasunod.
Hindi naman. So, mag-waste lang tayo gamit na tong ating
Yeah, ang lakas ng aircon, no? Baka ano na, marinig
full,
nila.
ano na nga, full, na rin, nilagay na rin lang, ano,
Full tank?
Full tank.
So, ayan si Zion. Ayan, very spacious din. At yan, enjoy natin namang malinis ang likod. Ano nga pala, sa mga nagtatanong pala yung kanina sabi kung nagda-drive na daw ako. Hindi pa guys. Meron lang akong learners. Pero, since hindi talaga ako nagda-drive, hindi pa ako makaka-road test. Kunwari ng in 2 weeks. Kasi si Alvin, after learners niya, road test agad siya in 2 weeks kasi meron siyang driver's license na nag-i-exist ng matagal na sa Pinas. Ako kasi, dito lang ako nag-learners, so wala akong experience ng driving sa Philippines. So, kapag ganun kasi, you have to wait 1 year para makapag-road test. So, next year pa ako pwede mag-road test and okay lang yun kasi hindi pa talaga ako marunong mag-drive. And yan, tuturuan na ako ni Alvin. Yan, para naman, ma-drive natin habang hindi niya ginagamit, diba? Kung kailangan ko pumasok sa school o kaya syempre baka na yun baka may work na ako noon. Sana. So we will see. Mabilis lang ang panahon. So yan, thank you Lord. Ililipat ko dito mamaya yung rosary namin na nasa Dodge. Yan, typical Pilipino. Pero syempre, hindi lang yun for display. Yun talaga? Symbol ng faith namin kasi nandiyan si Lord lagi, pinoprotect kami sa lahat ng biyahe namin. Yan, ginaid din kami sa lahat ng mga travels and sa mga pupuntahan. Meron pa nga akong Santo Niño noon na binili sa Italy. Nasa Ford yun. Siguro na
yun yung dala natin.
Yung Santo Niño?
Oh,
ayan, ililipat na lang din namin yun dito. Yan, syempre for protection and na rin comfort namin na there is someone guiding us along our journey. And yun, tulungan nyo pala kami kung ano ang ipapangalan sa aming new car. So, yan, wala pa kaming maipapangalan. So, siguro mag-iisip pa kami, wow, parang anak, no? Pinag-iisipan. Tapos, sa Dutch journey. Yung mga hindi nag-iisip Tapos, alam nga naman to si Santa Fe. Si Fe. Diba? Parang hindi na pala ako kailangan mahirapan. Ito na si Fe. Wag naman, hanap pa tayo ng iba na ipapangalan dito sa ating bagong car.
Yeah.
Biyahe muna kami, guys. So, ito nga pala guys, no, parang sabi ko, bakit kaya ito yung kukunin natin, Alvin? Hindi ba ako marunong mag-drive tapos ang kinuha mo sa sakyan, walang cambio? Guys, walang cambio. Ito, point ka lang. Kung reverse, neutral, tsaka drive. Di, sabi ko, pag natuto ako ng ganito, baka hindi na ako marunong pag gumamit ako ng ibang car na may cambio. Hindi
Gano'n lang naman yan.
Yan. Masyadong advanced. Pero yan, matututunan naman natin yan. Tapos ito, na hatak.
Adjust.
Ayan.
Taas.
Oo. Kung saan ka komportable. Yan, baby, ang lamig. Nilalamig ako. Ang lamig ng aircon.
Parang
sakto sa pool sa mukha ko. Seatbelt muna. Bye! So, ito guys, ang first drive ni Alvin sa new car. Kamusta ang feeling?
Ganda. Siyempre.
Smooth?
Oo. Nung tinest drive ko talagang sabi ko okay Ganda Ganda ng handling. Ganda ng suspension.
Yan. Dito pa lang kami sa
Keep right to stay on Glendale Circle Southeast.
Hyundai daw
Then
sabi
turn
sa
right to stay
Google.
on Glendale Circle Southeast.
Yan.
Ingay naman ng maps natin.
Laki-laki naman kasi. upgraded na masyado. Kasi, syempre yung Dodge Journey, ano yun, 2009. Syempre, hindi pa yun ka-advance sa technology, diba? So, ito parang biglang jump. Walang masyadong stock pala ng car dito sa Canada. 6 months to 1 year, aantayin mo. Yung may isa pa nga kaming kilala, 2 years. So, parang ang in-order mo, diba? 2023, tas kailan mo pang taon dadating. So, hindi na, ano siya, advance. So, ganun dito sa Canada. Parang narinig ko nga kasi ang dami syempre nag-o-order or mataas yung demand. Marami. O maraming tao compared naman sa Philippines. Ang alam ko nga, yung Ontario, triple daw ng Pilipinas yun. Hindi ko sure sabi-sabi lang. Hindi ko pa na-research, pasensya na. Pero malaki talaga yung population din ng Canada. Kaya hindi nila nasusuplayan ng enough yung tao dito. Kaya ganun na lang yung sa brand new, yung pagdating ng brand new cars dito. Parang hindi mo maasahan na agad-agad makukuha mo. Kaya, yan. Kaya napunta kami dito, which is okay na sa amin yung ganitong model, year, tapos yun, low mileage.
Saka guys, mahirap din kasi bumili ng napakamahal na sasakyan. Siyempre, mas malaki yung, siyempre, interest. Hindi naman interest, kumbaga yung bi-weekly mo rin. Kumbaga ito,
tsaka insurance, malaki.
Ito okay na to sa amin, sa pamilya.
Yeah, yung naman, yung interest rate average din yung nakuha namin eh. So, ayan guys, nandito tayo sa Toys R Us and naghahanap kami ngayon naman ng car seat. Meron tinatry ngayon si Zion, Graco brand. So, 10 positions yung pwede dito. And on promo sila from $479. Ngayon, $379 na lang.
Yeah, if you want to loosen it, there's a button between his legs.
So, tuturo lang paano mag-harness para super safe. Ay, ayaw ipakawalan si Patrol.
Sorry, it should be
so, try muna para
like if you
alam
stick your
na
finger
okay
here,
talaga.
you can feel the little button press down.
So, meron dito pa talagang mas mura, which is even flow. $279. Yan. Pero, kinda bulky. Medyo mataba siya. More on talaga. Mga padding. Pero okay rin, maganda. So, pinagpipilian ko to. Tsaka, yung gray ko. Slim fit naman kasi talaga siya.
And then you can tighten it by pulling on this.
Alright.
And then this one has 2 positions, so if you think that's a little bit too close to him right now. Oh, sorry, it's got 3 positions, so that's the middle one.
Oh, okay.
If it's too close to his legs right now, you can move it so it's coming out like this one.
So, ito naman, tatry niya yung even flow. Yung mas maraming padding. Pero maganda rin to. Tapos meron pang lalagyanan ng
Nahihiga din siya.
Ayan nahihiga. Ayan.
Yeah.
Parang mas maganda pa yan. So, mas okay pa sa gray ko.
Yeah.
Pero yun, nahihiga rin yun for sure. Kasi 10 positions yun, hindi lang ginawa.
Okay.
Pero okay na yan. O, tapos ito, naiaangat pa pag lumaki na siya. Tingnan mo nga,
Do you have another stop? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Angat mo ba, baby? Yan o, pag ayan o. Okay. So, $279 na dating $370.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna take this one.
Yeah, sure.
So, that's only one color, right? The gray one?
Let me check. We might have more colors online.
But yeah, I
In
think...
store, it's just
Yeah,
this one.
okay. I think we're good.
Yeah, this one is good. Kasi meron ding cup holder. So yun guys, nakauwi na tayo at sobrang saya namin ni Emma guys. Ayan. Siyempre, nakuha na natin yung sasakyan. And yun, bago ko tapos itong vlog na to, syempre gusto ko magpasalamat syempre sa mga subscribers natin dyan na talagang sumusuporta sa amin. At saka syempre, halong komento kasi yung nare-receive namin, pero merong sinabi na bakit kami bumili. Meron din naman nagsabi na congrats, ayan. So yun guys, at the end of the day kasi syempre, mas safety pa rin talaga yung inisip namin. Kasi nga syempre, bago to, okay na okay siya, wala pa tayong magiging problema. Unlike dito sa Dodge ko, hindi ko naman sinabi nga na may problema yung Dodge ko, pero syempre sa tinatagal na rin naman guys ng sasakyan, syempre yung peace of mind namin, syempre kailangan namin doon tayo sa sigurado muna. Pwede naman yung sasakyan ko naman, wala namang problema, sabi ko sa inyo. Kumbaga, panimula lang siya, okay siya, kasi kung dito lang naman sa Calgary, then yung mga vans, malalapit lang, okay siya guys, wala problema. Tsaka talagang well-maintained ko talaga yun guys, talagang inaalagaan ko yun. hindi naman ako guys yung tao na talagang pag gumamit talagang balasubas hindi. Sobrang maingat tayo guys sa gamit. And especially syempre sa makina. Yan, kahit kung sino man yung bibili nila, no, pwede naman nila i-road test yan, i-check nila lahat ng engine. Ayan, siguro may mga minor issue, pero normal naman kasi yun guys. Syempre, isipin naman 2009, di ba? What do you expect? Kaya wala tayong problema dyan. Ayan. So, siguro sa mga gustong tumingin ng sasakyan namin, kasi nga talagang ibebenta rin naman talaga namin ni Emma yan. Yun naman talaga yung plano namin kasi hindi naman namin pwedeng i-standby yan dito. Siyempre, talagang i-let go namin yan. Ayan. So, yun. Sobrang happy kami ngayon guys. Siyempre, salamat kay God. At talagang binigay niya sa amin to. Kasi sabi nga namin nung una, nung nag-apply kami, kung hindi naman ibibigay sa atin ito, ibig sabihin, hindi pa para sa atin. Yun guys, no? Kaya mas maraming salamat talaga. Yung mga nagko-comment ng hindi maganda, may mga nagko-comment din naman ng okay. Okay lang yun guys, walang problema tayo dyan. Basta importante, masaya tayo sa binili natin. Masaya tayo habang nagbabayad. Saka, kaya naman guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala, kaya naman yan. At basta nasa tamang diskarte lang yan guys. Tandaan nyo yan. Okay, so yun guys, no? Happy ako kasi nga yung mga hinahanap ko nga ng mga features niya sa sasakyan is nandoon. Unang-una na lang din guys, syempre yung lane assist, meron siya. Trinay ko nga kanina, binitawan ko yung manubela. Pero syempre inaalalayan ko siya, no? Tinatry ko siya habang, yung alam mo yung may pa-curve kami. Talagang sabi ko kay Emma, baby, tinan mo. Sabi ko, pagka nag-drive ka na to, sobrang wala ka naiintindihan kasi sumusunod siya sa lane talaga guys. So yun yung mga isa sa mga nagustuhan ko doon. Tsaka syempre sa mga safety feature niya, gustong-gusto ko na siya, front and back may mga sensor, walang problema, gilid meron din. And yeah, goods na good talaga guys. And talagang smooth na smooth yung sasakyan. Unang-una, gusto ko yung handling, suspension, okay siya sa akin guys. Kaya masaya kami ni Emma. Kaya guys, pag may mga question kayo, yan, sa mga gustong tumingin ng sasakyan namin, again, pwede nyo kaming kontakin. Message na kayo guys sa messenger. Comment na kayo sa baba guys. And yan, sabihin namin sa inyo kung ano yung address namin dito. And then, yan, try nyo lang. Malay nyo naman, magustuhan nyo. Kung hindi naman, wala naman problema. Alright? So, yun guys, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog namin. Pasensya na, medyo mahaba tong vlog natin. Ano? Kasi talagang tinuro din sa akin nung guy kanina na lahat ng mga features ng sasakyan. Inisa-isa niya sa atin. And pinaliwanag niya sa atin. And yun. Yung iba naman guys, kinakapa ko pa. Lalo ngayon, kinakapa ko yung blue link niya. So, kumbaga yung blue link na yun, pwede kong i-start using my cellphone kahit nasa ang lugar ako, kahit nasa ibang bansa ako, pwede ko siyang i-start. So, yun yung pinag-aaralan ko ngayon. And sabi dun sa akin sa manual is kailangan kong kontakin yung support ata ng my blue link. May binigay na number naman doon. Then tatawag ko lang daw siya. Then hihingin lang ata yung mga information about sa sasakyan. Okay? So, yun guys. Hanggang dito na lang. See you on the next one. Peace.